Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sergey Komarudin, which was of participant in ITB Graduate School Conference. I'm from Group 7. In this study case, our group took Columbia study case to analysis in lab software. This is our data about key assumption. In Colombia, household have 40.2 M and population growth rate 1.1%. Income growth rate 3.7%. So this is our data that we will input it in the lab software. This is about the key assumption of Colombia country. In Colombia country have income growth rates 3.7% and the end-use urbanizations with the value 95.2%. Upon the demand model for this lab software, we divided for we divided 5 sections, and there are household transformation, commercial, industrial, and agriculture. Household will be divided with 2%. For the first, rural areas with the height of the area 20% and urban about 80%. Urban demand in this country will be divided in 4 sections. In the first, refrigeration, and second, lighting, and the third, cooking and other use. So for the refrigeration is the part of electrified in urban area. Here our data that we will input it in our software, and in the bottom figure this data in table. This is our activity level in refrigeration. Refrigeration activity level will be divided in 2 sections. One section 1 upon the conventional in 30% and efficient is 70%. Our activity level in another section about the lighting efficiency 95% and conventional 5%. About cooking activity level in Colombia, cooking activity level with electric stove 20% and gas stove 80%. Rural demand in Colombia with about the rural demand in electrified 60% and non-electrified 40%. Rural demand electrified will be divided with 4 sections. The first, refrigeration in 5% efficiency and 5% conventional, and lighting, cooking, and other use. Lighting activity level in Colombia will be divided in 2 sections. The first, electric conventional with 80% and electric efficiency value 40%. Cooking activity level in Colombia will be divided 2 sections. Section 1 about the Carol stove 20%, wood stove 20%, and LPG stove 80%. Rural demand non-electrified will be divided with G section. Section 1 about the charcoal stove in 20%, LPG and biogas stove 40%, and wood biggest stove 30%. In industry, activity level will be divided into two sections. Section 1 about the petrochemical and section 2 about the textile. Transportation. In transportation of Colombia country, the first uh, passenger in passenger activity will be divided for two sections. Section 1 about the road and section 2 about the plane. And the activity level passenger sharing passenger kilometer, the first buses and car. And another level of turn kilometer road and plane. In agricultural sector, agricultural level in Colombia, they have three sections of area. The first, coffee with dominant level with the value 50%, and bananas 20%, and nut flour 30%. Transform model. In this, our project, transform model will be divided into several sections. Section 1, existing liquid 1 terawatt hours and new thermal gas. Existing thermal gas with 3 terawatt hours, existing thermal coal 5 terawatt hours, existing hydro 35 terawatt hours, and existing wind negligible or existing solar negligible. It means that no data for this section. This is about our transformation module process exogenous capacity in 1000 megawatt. Is several data that will be divided about new liquid, existing liquid, new thermal gas, existing thermal gas, new thermal coal, existing hydro, new wind, existing wind, new solar, and existing solar. Scenario. Our scenario for this section about the business as usual, government policy, and biscuits. For business as usual, no new renewable energy penetration, sources in efficiency demand, new coal, gas, and liquid plant installed. Government government policy will big penetration in renewable energy, passive efficiency demand, good electric vehicle, and policy good electrification policy. Best case, massive penetration in renewable energy, partnership in efficiency demand, passive in electricity and EV vehicle. So for the all scenario, household will be increased urbanization from 80% until 95%. This data will be simulated in 2020 until 2049. Energy demand model, our business scenario, our business usual, and government scenario. This data will be same, but I think this best scenario will be provide with high and good quality for the data will be provided from lab software. This is all put by feedstock in business as usual. They have for existing thermal coal and governor policy scenario. They will be reduced for thermal coal and they will be injected for several penetration renewable energy, especially with thermal gas and existing wind turbine. And new liquid also dominate for penetration renewable energy in government policy scenario. So for this scenario, there will be a figure in a right figure and the penetration domination in hydro existing. How about the investment cost? The investment cost will be best scenario with the business as usual. Because the business as usual and they do not for high penetration of renewable energy, so our cost will be reduced in the business as usual cases. About the danger UVP at the point emission, this is our data that the domination in KWP about the transportation. I think this is all of my presentation, and thank you for your attention. See you on the next time. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me as soon as you want. Thank you very much. I am Ricky from Group 7 IVC International Conference. Thank you very much. See you.